You think your mead tastes good, but you can't explain why. Most people can't, and that's the problem. If you don't know what you're tasting, you can't improve it, tweak it, or recreate it. But there's a simple way to fix that. I break it down using 4 steps, and you can too. This is the exact method BJCP judges use to evaluate any mead, and once you understand it, you'll taste every glass differently. Most people swirl, then dunk their nose right in. That's actually the fastest way to miss half the aroma. Start with a slow swirl. You're waking up volatile compounds. These are what carry the aroma to your brain. Now, sniff in layers. Start a few inches away and then get closer. Each distance tells you something different. What are you smelling? First, the honey. Is it floral and light or deep and spicy? Then the fermentation notes, fruity esters or spicy phenolics. Finally, any added ingredients. Can you find the raspberry, the cinnamon, a hint of oak? A good mead smells like a story, and aroma is your first clue. Before you even taste it, look at it. The color gives you clues. Pale straw might suggest a delicate floral honey. Dark amber could mean aging or caramelization. Now check the clarity. Brilliantly clear? That usually signals solid fermentation and good technique. Cloudy could be a process issue, or just rush bottling. Even bubbles matter, still or sparkling, bottle conditioned or force carbonated. Visuals are packed with information. Gulping is for hydration. Tasting is for understanding. Take a small sip, let it coat your tongue, then breathe gently through your nose. Now ask yourself, how does the sweetness balance with acidity? Sweetness is the sugary taste from honey. It gives fullness and richness. Acidity is the tart, bright quality that makes a drink feel crisp and refreshing. When they're balanced, the mead tastes clean and lively. If one dominates, it can feel flat or harsh. Do you feel any bitterness or alcohol warmth? Bitterness is a sharp, biting taste, like oversteeped tea or citrus peel. It's rare in mead, but small amounts can add depth. Too much is distracting. Alcohol warmth is the gentle heat or burn you feel in your throat or chest after swallowing. A little can feel smooth. Too much can be harsh or overpowering. Sometimes it even gives you a sweet quality. Are there tannins? Tannins are compounds that create dryness or a rough, puckery feel, like what you get from black tea or red wine. In mead, tannins add structure and grip. They make the mead feel firm and balanced, but too much can feel astringent, and too little can make it taste limp. Next is mouthfeel. This is about texture. Is it light or crisp? Syrupy or full? Creamy, sharp, still, or bubbly? Then comes the finish. After you swallow, what lingers? Does the flavor vanish or evolve for a few seconds? A long balanced finish is the mark of something great. So to recap, aroma, appearance, flavor, and mouthfeel. Those 4 steps are how BJCP judges break down mead, and now they're yours. You don't need a competition to use them. You just need curiosity and a glass. For mead makers, this changes everything. Now you can improve it, tweak it, or recreate it with purpose. Because once you know what to look for, you'll never make or drink mead the same way again. I want to hear from you. What's the most surprising aroma or flavor you've ever found in a mead? Drop it in the comments. I actually read them, and I'm happy to help. If this video helped, please hit the like and subscribe for more no-fluff, results-focused mead-making strategies that actually work. Want the deep dive? Grab the Practical Mead-Maker. It covers everything from honey and water chemistry to flavor balancing, off-flavor fixes, and step-by-step troubleshooting, written for real-world mead makers. You'll find the link in the pinned comment or description, along with my go-to tools and gear. Check my other videos and playlists over here to level up every part of your mead-making process, from technique to unforgettable flavor. Till next video, cheers.